Hello. So it makes for good practice to, before you swap out computers, to disconnect the battery, obviously. I just felt like showing it. There. So now I'm going to go swap out the computer. Alright, so there's the ATX computer. There's those two bolts. Then there's a nut there, or a bolt on that end, and that bolt actually you need to go underneath. You have to grab it from underneath the tire to get it out, so don't be confused if it just keeps turning on you when you go to get it out. So there's the automatic computer right there. Here's a 5-speed. So I'm going to install this guy here. Okay. I'm just going to plug it in here. There's one. Alright, whoop. There's a click. So, happy with there and there. So there's the 5-speed computer. Now let's see, what am I pinning against? There we go. So it's in there now. And I just need to reattach that bolt there, or put a nut there. Okay, so the 98 5-speed MTX computer is installed. Right now all I have is that bolt holding it in, and a screw, bolt, whatever, holding it in right now. So it's plugged in. I kept the same electrical configuration. I still have that brown-yellow wire into the clutch pedal and then grounded at this point. So I'm going to hook up the battery and fire it up and show you what this guy does. Okay, so the battery's hooked up again. So I'll just take it for a test drive here. Close the hood. Alright, there's the 5-speed. So, I'll walk on over. Find my keys, which are here. Oh, sorry about that. So, once again, not pushing in the clutch, so car's not going to start because the brown yellow wire is not grounded. But let me let's see what kind of engine codes this 5-speed has. Now this is what I'm going to show you. Why be very wary when you buy something off eBay for 99 cents. So it's giving me the 12 code, which is the battery disconnected code. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 35 is the code it just gave me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's going to give me the 55 code telling me 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's the end of the codes there. So it gave me 35. 35 is radiator. There's been a short detected in the radiator. So I just started it up. This is the 5-speed computer now. So it didn't give me the torque converter because this is indeed a 5-speed manual computer. But it gave me that radiator fan problem. And I noticed this computer, because I've already checked this computer out, it doesn't flip on the radiator, so I can't drive this for very long. I don't want to overheat the car, but the radiator fan currently doesn't work. So this is why you should be very careful when you buy things on eBay for 99 cents. But otherwise, I'm just going to show you that I have the same configuration for the brown yellow wire, and I want to turn on the cruise control. So again, my foot's off the pedal, cruise control's working. Everything's good, and then if you want to cancel it, just push in the clutch again, and it starts working. So let me get around all this traffic here for some reason. So the 5-speed is working just fine with the same brown yellow wire configuration. There's Ice Cream Man. But the thing that sucks is the car will overheat because this computer was a piece of shit to begin with when I bought it off eBay. But indeed, it is a 5-speed, and the brown yellow wire configuration into the clutch pedal works just fine, and so does the cruise control. So it's reacting the exact same way as the ATX computer, so, or the automatic computer. So pretty happy with that, but I am going to go put the automatic PCM automatic computer back in, simply because it actually tells the radiator to work or the radiator to kick on, unlike this one. So, but I noticed no difference whatsoever between computers, and the configuration I have, the brown yellow wire, works just fine. So that's it. That's all I got.